Hey, what's up guys? Ali here from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I want to talk about the length of YouTube videos and specifically, can you make more money on YouTube with only the longer videos? What do you think, by the way? Before we jump into this, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. All right, now let's look at, I want to show you some data from my small YouTube channel. So here's my YouTube channel. We're gonna go into the analytics or the studio. YouTube Studio, and then let's look at some data to see what the data tells us. And then let's click on Analytics, and then I am going to click on the Revenue tab. And basically what I'm trying to do is find videos on my small YouTube channel, the top revenue making videos. And then on revenue, if I scroll down, here's the top earning videos on my channel in last like 28 days based on that data. So I'm gonna click on see more, and now I will see all of these videos. And let's actually look at longer time period. So let's change it to 90 days. And now here are the videos from top to bottom, the videos that are making me the most money and so forth. This video made me the most money in 90 days, and then the next one, and the next one, and the next one. Now, let's look at the length of these videos and see, because I know there are a lot of people, a lot of creators on YouTube make longer videos because they feel like, hey, longer the videos, the more money they're gonna make, or they think that's the case. But here's the interesting thing. Let's look at this data. So this video made me the most money. So how long is this video? 4 minutes and 59 seconds, so 4.5. Let's look at the next one. 2 minutes and 20 seconds, 19 seconds. Next one. 5 minutes, 7 minutes, 10 minutes. So the top 4 videos for me on my channel, they're all less than 10 minutes. So what's happening? Well, the reason this happens is because I know if you make I believe the time is now 8 minutes. If your video length is 8 minutes, you can do mid-roll ads and make additional revenue. But guess what? The length of your video is only one of the many factors that play into the monetization or how much money you make. Your topic, what's the topic of your video? That's huge. There are different niches on YouTube, and every niche make like different CPMs and RPMs. So it's not just about the length of your video. It's also about the topic, what you're talking, and who's your target audience, and also the language that you use in your video. So there are a lot of different factors that kind of contribute to how much money you make from YouTube ads per video. So guess what? If you are a brand new creator on YouTube and you feel like you need to make longer videos, 8 minutes or longer videos, that's not true. You can make short videos and still make more income or revenue on your YouTube channel. If you have any questions, leave those questions below in the comments. Before you go, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.